Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to, and I can, in an HTML website. For this, first of all, we open any browser. Go to the search bar, and type Font Awesome CDN link. Then click on Font Awesome. After that, we copy this link. For that, click that icon, and the link will be copied. After that, open Visual Studio Code and paste the link in the head section. Then the link will be attached to your HTML code. Then open Chrome again and go to the search bar and type fontawesome.com and click on the first link. Once it's open, click on the search bar and here type YouTube. Then click on the YouTube icon. Click on that icon and the icon code will be copied. After that, open Visual Studio and paste the link in the body section. After that, just right-click and click on Open in Live Server. The browser will be open and you can see the YouTube icon has been added in our HTML. To put some styling and change the color of YouTube icon, open Visual Studio Code. And in the head section, we will type style and then copy the class of the icon and paste it here. And we will type font size is equal to 100 px. Then right-click and open in Live Server. Now you can see the size of the icon has been increased, and now we will change the color of YouTube. For this, open Visual Studio and here we will type color and select the red color. After that, right-click and open in Live Server. Now you can see the YouTube color has been changed. Now we will add another icon with this in HTML. For this, we open Font Awesome and here in the search bar, we will type Twitter, then click on Twitter and copy the link. After that, go to Visual Studio and paste the link right here. Do the same like before, copy the class of that icon and now we will choose blue color. Then right-click and click on Open in Live Server. Now you can see both icons have been added. That's the way to add icons in an HTML website. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.